Hello everyone, welcome to the SST class. Now today we will start with the same chapter, lesson number 2, changes around us. On the last turn we have studied the meaning of change. I hope you all understood the meaning of change. Now today's topic is lifestyle. With the time our lifestyle is also changing. People are used to adapt with the new changes of food, houses, work, clothes, and traditions. All these things have been changed from the past to the present. Number one, we will discuss the change in the food. Food habits of people have changed over the years. पीपल्स की जो फूड हैबिट्स हैं वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा ड्रास्टिक चेंज आया है उसमें. अर्लियर पीपल ईट अ सिंपल मील हैविंग अ दाल, चावल, रोटी एंड सब्जी. But today we get to eat a variety of food, not only those belonging to our country but the world over. पहले तो सिर्फ हमें वहाँ का ही खाना मिलता था जहाँ हम रहते हैं, बट नाउ यहाँ पे हमें अपनी ही कंट्री में चाइनीज़ फूड भी मिलता है, इटालियन फूड भी मिलता है, इंडियन, साउथ इंडियन, सब चीज़ें हमें अपनी कंट्री में अवेलेबल हैं. With changes in lifestyle, people like to use packaged food products that reduce cooking time and are easy to use. अब घर में हम लोग पैकेट फूड यूज़ करते हैं जिससे जो हमारा कुकिंग टाइम है वो रिड्यूस हो जाता है. एंड टुडे वी ऑल्सो यूज़ टू ऑर्डर द फूड ऑनलाइन. सब ने देखा है ना, सब लोग कैसे जोमेटो और स्विगी से फूड ऑर्डर करते हैं. सो दिस इज़ द चेंज इन द फूड हैबिट्स. नाउ द सेकेंड वन इज़ चेंज इन द वर्क. The working habit of peoples are also changing. For example, in the current situation, अभी यहाँ पे कोविड पैंडमिक चल रहा है तो people are working from the home. पहले we used to go to the office and work, but now today वी वर्क फ्रॉम होम. हमारे स्कूल्स बंद है, हमारे ऑफिसेज बंद है, पर पापा लोग घर से वर्क कर रहे हैं. टीचर्स जो हैं वो घर से बच्चों को पढ़ा रही हैं. सो दिस इज़ द चेंज इन दी वर्क. इसी तरह से जो है वो चेंजेस टाइम के साथ, प्लेस के साथ, पीपल्स के साथ हमारी लाइफ में आते रहते हैं बेटा. सो earlier people used to work in their offices, but now the people are working from their home. Earlier the people used to work on their PCs or other things, but now they have a personal laptop which they can move anywhere in their home, in their offices, etc., and they comfortably work from their laptop from anywhere. So this is the change in the work. Now the people of villages are engaged in the agriculture, but in the cities the people are working in private companies, government offices, etc. Some people set their own business and trade in goods and services. So this is the type of work we found in our country. Now another topic is changes in clothes. Look at an old album or an old family picture. Do you wear the same kind of clothes that your parents or grandparents wore? क्या हम लोग वैसे ही कपड़े पहनते हैं जैसे हमारे मम्मी पापा या ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स पहनते थे? No. There has been a vast change in the type of clothes people wear today. Earlier, people wore more simple and traditional clothes, but today there is more variety in clothes in terms of design, style, color, and fabric. Nowadays, people wear more modern clothes. Moreover, people in different parts of India wear different clothes depending upon their religion, culture, age, and climatic conditions. Now, changes in traditions. Now, changes in tradition means India is a land rich in traditions and customs. Different traditions and customs are practiced in different parts of the country. However, with the increase in education and social awareness, people are now adopting to more modern outlook towards the life. Earlier, people used to celebrate all the functions with the family members together. but now with the smart technology, people are using and celebrating the festival on the phones with their relatives, etc. Okay, now change in the houses. The types of houses are also changed. Earlier, people used to live in small houses or a mud house in the villages, but now the houses are big and spacious where large joint families can also live, and the people are also shifting towards the apartments. Nowadays, apartments are also very famous. So, this is the change in the types of the houses. Over the years, a lot of changes has taken place in every field. Thank you everyone. I hope these topics are clear to you all.